Hello guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we're going to show you Xfinity how to unpause device. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's going to be a few steps that you need to follow for you to do this. So first things first is you need to access the Wi-Fi tab on your device. Now locate the section labeled connected to your Wi-Fi and pick the individual you want to manage from the list of connected devices. Now from then on, choose the option to resume all devices, and also alternatively, you can access the resume all device features directly from the Wi-Fi tab. Now if the person is paused due to a scheduled downtime, opt to activate all devices directly from the Wi-Fi tab. And that's about it. So it's actually pretty simple, just follow the steps there and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.